How to change country in Google Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your country on Google Play Store app. Now, the first thing is open the app, and once in the app you'll get an interface like this. Now, head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top right of your screen. Once here, tap on Payment and Subscriptions. Now, tap on Payment Methods. Now, on the bottom of your screen, you can find the option More Payment Settings. Tap on it and it will ask you to select the browser. You can select any browser you like, and once you confirm it, it will take you to your browser. Now, once it loads up, tap on the three-line icon that you can find on the top left of your screen. Now, head over to Settings, and over here, if you scroll down, you'll get an option Country or Region. Click on the pen icon that you can see beside it and tap on Create New Profile. Click on Continue, and here you'll get an option to choose a country or region. Now, you can select any country you like. Now, since I'm making a video, I'll click on Australia and click on Continue. Now, once here, you just need to enter your address and your details and submit it, and this way you can change your country. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.